Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the About phone, which is right here. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number, so just give me a second. I believe it will be at the very bottom of the list. So localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and we have to enter our screen lock in order to confirm the whole step. So now after that we can go back to the general list of the settings, and all you have to do is to simply enter the system which is at the top from the About phone, and then go to developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. As you can see, it's quite long. So for example, we can turn the option to don't keep activities, so your device will destroy all of them. We can show view updates, change the animator duration scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the input, and at the top we've got those which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth here, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So all we have to do in order to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just take a look at this option which is pinned to the top of the screen and tap on this switcher. Your device will need to be restarted, so all you have to do is to tap on restart, and after powering it on again, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.